Thank you for joining our live session, 15 minutes live with aaLawsng. So money cakes, I want to talk about money cakes. Has been a way of way people use to express love, or surprises whenever they want to give a gift to their loved ones or they want to show surprises. Money cakes has been that avenue of ways that they do that. But the question now is, what does the law really say about money cakes? So I'm going to read the law that relates to that part. There are other aspects that has to do with sparing the location, that or that if you're not aware, it's wrong. But we're going to focus on the part of which it will actually still mention spraying as well. So I'm just going to read the law. So Section 21 of the CBN Act 2027 gives guidelines, and so it provides, and I read, it provides that a person who tampers with a coin or a note with or trading it issued by the bank is guilty of an offense. So a coin or a note shall be deemed to have been tampered with if the coin or note has been impaired, diminished, or lightened otherwise than by fair wear and tear, or has been defaced by stomping, engraving, mutilating, piercing, stamping, writing, tearing, soiling, squeezing, or any other form of deliberate and willful abuse, whether the coin or note has or has not thereby diminished or lightened. Now, for the evidence of doubt, spraying of, dancing or matching on the naira or any note issued by the bank during social occasion or otherwise, however, shall constitute an abuse and defacing of the naira. So we have a place where it was in the session as well, so subsection 5, where it was explained what is matching. Matching includes spreading, scattering, or littering any surface with any naira, note, or coins, and stepping thereon, regardless of the value, volume, or occasion or intent. Now listen to the spraying. Spraying includes adorning, which is things that we do, decorating, or spraying anything or any person or any part of any person or the person of another with naira, notes, or coins, or sprinkling or sticking of the naira notes or coins in a similar manner, regardless of the amount, occasion, or the intent. So all of this provision is clearly shows that the way we design the naira notes, whenever we want to make it in the form of cakes or make it in a bouquet, shows that it's totally an offense. And so it's better for, in ways, I know innocently or ignorantly, we do this just want to make it special because it looks beautiful. We want to show love to the person. The person is will be surprised because it's in the form of a flower and all that, or cakes. But it's important that in expressing our love and showing love, it's better off that you give the person the cash, give the person the money as a whole, or do a transfer to the person's account, so that you do not hear of the law. Now, this also applies that I know because some of us as well, this is our business, like this is what we do. I mean, you probably on your Instagram page or your business cards, this is what you do as well. You can help people design, show surprises through money or through the naira. Note that this is an offense. So whenever anyone comes to you and say they want to do this, so it's your duty now that you know to tell them that no, we have to give enough respect to the naira as this is not acceptable. So when next you're trying to show love to your loved one, remember that this is wrong. And now, so because we all know that it said ignorance of the law is not an excuse, but thankfully that's why doing this kind of live webinar tries to educate us on what the law provides for that we might not necessarily know. And so next time, I also noticed that there's a whole lot that goes on in people. Also, there was a video that I watched. I'm going to use the video I watched that they gave the person a money cake, and it was trying to really remove they've used sellotape with the money, and I was trying to remove it on live video. That's alone, it's giving it too much disrespect to the naira, because it's something that it's printed with money, and so we need to be careful on how we handle it. So in conclusion, next time you want to show your love to your love, remember what the Civilian Act 7 provides for is an offense, and that means, maybe I should read the part of what happens. It says a person who tampers with a coin or a note with a trading issue, which also involves, you tampering is really explain all that. What is the offense? The case of an offense that shall be in prison for a term not less than 6 months, or to a fine not less than 500,000, or both, such that fine and both imprisonment. So it's an offense, a criminal, an offense, and so we have to be careful on how we handle the naira. And so this is how we have. So we're gonna be having more of this 15-minute live with aaLawsng. So do join us for the next one. Thank you.